And a good Sunday afternoon to you, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. Here's our trough of lower pressure. You can see that over Oklahoma and roughly North Texas, and kind of this positively tilted going through the Great Lakes. It's kind of dragging with it snow within a frontal boundary that's then pushing off the eastern seaboard. It's going to be replaced by this area of higher pressure, and that's going to be pushing in and controlling our weather for the next few days. It looks like we might have some good project weather finally for basically Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. More importantly, though, we do have some utility potential threats down the road, even a potential moderate nor'easter that could affect us with moderate snowfall. And overall, we're getting out of the more of the wintry mix back into basically light snowfalls, and also some gradient winds, it looks like, on the backside of these departing stronger coastal storms that then push into the Canadian Maritimes. A lot colder temperatures you might notice here as well, with temperatures basically in the single digits now in the plains and up into portions of Canada, many readings below zero. This is what's going to be controlling this area of higher pressure, and a drop in temperature, pretty sharp drop is at that for tomorrow. We also go below zero at night for basically Monday as well as Tuesday mornings, and then we're back up in temperature before another pretty good Arctic blast scheduled late next weekend and into the following early to mid part of that week. And you're looking at the snow that's in the process departing. It's probably going to depart a little earlier. This is valid about 8 o'clock this evening. And it's going to be pretty much out of here this evening as an area of higher pressure then builds in. This is also going to be more or less taking a track far from New England, northern New England anyway. Maybe clip some parts of southern New England with just a tiny bit of snow. As you can see, that's a bona fide nor'easter, 995 hectopascal. It's passing to the south of us. We're controlled with this area of higher pressure. So Monday is looking pretty good once this the areas of higher clouds begin to pull away and push on out of the region. We're getting into some sunshine, but it'll probably start to turn dark by that point in time. We do have some, again, some fair weather continuing into Tuesday as well as Wednesday as the area of higher pressure finally pulls away. This area of low pressure with more jet stream energy coming in from the west coast. It looks like we still eke out a decent day, though, with a little bit of an encroachment in southern parts of New England, southern parts of Vermont affecting us, it looks like, on Wednesday afternoon, but generally 3 dry days looking pretty good. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Continuing that along. Here comes this weather system for Thursday, kind of a clipper system. A little bit more of an oddball. That's going to be pushing on through. And then we set up the main weather here for late part of the week. This is for Friday. This is going to be a nor'easter, kind of a Miller B, late development. Pressure jump off the coast. Looks like the track is close enough to Long Island. It's going to throw us some moderate snowfall potentially for basically Friday morning into Friday afternoon. That departs as a nor'easter. We're looking at potential gradient winds on the backside of that system. So blustery after some decent snowfall. Fingers crossed that this holds. Looking at 3-hour QPF, there's the leftovers here. This is centered on Montpelier, Vermont with the GFS ensemble. What we can see is just a little bit of leftovers here. And then that dry period, and that's looking real good. Good model consensus with the GFS ensemble as well. And then we have this business here, probably a little stronger, what's going to be happening along about the this coming weekend. Late, it looks like on Friday morning into Friday afternoon, Friday night, and so forth. And the total QPF looks like this. Not tremendous in the GFS. And looking at the Weather Prediction Center's 1 through 7 day total accumulated precipitation, this is roughly about 1/2 inch. This is 1 inch amount, so more in eastern parts of New England and a little bit more off the Great Lakes. This is 2-meter temperatures in the west coast and into the central area of the U.S. from Alaska. This is now pushing all the way to the east coast. It will be there probably by Monday morning. Next 5 days of high temperatures. Meteorological output statistics show pretty much weighted near average, and that's going to also hold. If anything, things increase just off the coast. We still have some pretty pesky Arctic air, 33 degrees below normal in parts of eastern Alberta, western Saskatchewan. And snow will be finishing up. We've seen up around 4 inches in some parts of northern and western Vermont with this go-around, and this is going to be pulling on out. We still have a little bit more to go through here, but it's going to be relatively light. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.